Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Kisi Tech, your go-to source for all things tech. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic devices in the smartphone world, the Xiaomi 12 Pro. Whether you're a longtime Xiaomi fan or a new owner, this device has truly made waves with its innovative features, sleek design, and powerful performance. In this comprehensive video, we're going to focus on a crucial aspect of smartphone maintenance: LCD replacement. If you're experiencing issues like a cracked screen, unresponsive touch, flickering display, or dead pixels on your Xiaomi 12 Pro, this guide will help you understand everything you need to know about replacing the LCD, the process involved, and how to ensure your device is back in top shape. Why is the Xiaomi 12 Pro a game changer? Before we jump into the technical details, let's take a moment to appreciate what makes the Xiaomi 12 Pro so special. Display excellence. The Xiaomi 12 Pro features a stunning AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support, and a high resolution that delivers vivid colors and sharp visuals. Powerful performance. Equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip, it handles demanding tasks effortlessly. Camera system. A versatile triple camera setup with Leica enhancements ensures professional quality photography. Design and build. A sleek premium design with Gorilla Glass on both front and back adds to its aesthetic appeal. Battery and charging. Large battery capacity with fast charging and wireless charging capabilities. Given these features, a damaged LCD can significantly impact your user experience, which is why timely repair or replacement is essential. Understanding the Xiaomi 12 Pro LCD. The LCD, liquid crystal display, on the Xiaomi 12 Pro is a delicate yet sophisticated component. It comprises multiple layers, including the touch-sensitive digitizer, display panel, backlight, and protective glass. When any of these layers are compromised, it can lead to issues such as cracks or shattered glass, dead pixels or discoloration, touch response problems, flickering or blank screens, lines or streaks across the display. Replacing the LCD involves carefully removing the damaged screen and installing a new, fully functional display assembly. When do you need an LCD replacement? If your Xiaomi 12 Pro exhibits any of the following symptoms, it might be time for an LCD replacement. Visible cracks or shattered glass, black or colored spots on the screen, touch responsiveness issues, screen flickering or inconsistent display, dead pixels or lines, complete display failure. Important. Always back up your data before attempting any repair to prevent data loss. The process of LCD replacement, step by step. Replacing the LCD on the Xiaomi 12 Pro is a delicate process that requires precision tools and a steady hand. Below is an overview of the typical steps involved. Gather tools and parts. Precision screwdrivers, plastic prying tools, suction cup, heat gun or eye opener, adhesive strips or glue. Replacement LCD assembly. Power down the device. Ensure the phone is completely turned off. Remove SIM card tray. To prevent damage and facilitate disassembly. Heating the device. Use a heat gun or eye opener to soften the adhesive holding the screen in place. Gently heat the edges to loosen the adhesive, without overheating. Separating the screen. Use a suction cup to create a gap between the screen and the frame. Insert a plastic prying tool into the gap, carefully working around the edges. Be cautious of internal cables connected to the display. Disconnecting internal cables. Remove any screws securing the display assembly. Carefully disconnect the flex cables connecting the LCD to the motherboard. Removing the old LCD. Detach the damaged LCD assembly from the frame. Clean any residual adhesive from the edges. Installing the new LCD. Connect the new display's flex cables securely. Align the new LCD properly within the frame. Reassemble the device, ensuring all screws and connectors are properly secured. Final testing. Power on the device to check the new display functions correctly. Verify touch responsiveness and display quality. Tips for a successful LCD replacement. Work in a clean, dust-free environment. Use high-quality replacement parts to ensure longevity and performance. Follow a detailed repair guide specific to the Xiaomi 12 Pro if available. Handle components with anti-static precautions to prevent damage. If unsure, seek professional repair services to avoid further damage. Final thoughts. Maintaining your Xiaomi 12 Pro is all about timely repairs and proper handling. If your device's LCD is showing signs of damage, don't delay in getting it replaced to preserve your user experience and the device's value. Remember, while DIY repairs can be rewarding, they come with risks. So if you're not comfortable with the process, it's always best to consult professional technicians. Product link and additional resources. You can find high-quality replacement LCD assemblies for the Xiaomi 12 Pro in the product link in the description. For detailed repair guides, video tutorials, and professional repair services, check out the links below. Official Xiaomi service centers, authorized repair shops near you, DIY repair kits and tools. Thanks for tuning into Kisi Tech. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech insights, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Have questions or want to share your repair experiences? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Stay tech savvy and see you in the next video.